Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, the fall colors are coming in. You guys know I live for fall. Like, check out the pumpkins, check out the acorn. Can you see the acorn? I live for fall, and I also love a good fall unit. And honey, oh girl is giving me all the things. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is there. The unit I'm rocking was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Now let me give you guys all the deets on this wig. All right, y'all. So on this site it says Ivy approved Unice Wear Go pre-cut lace 6x4.5 closure red brown curly quick and easy glueless air wig. Is upgrade 6x4.5 transparent lace closure for a more versatile styling. Can be curled, dyed, and styled freely. Natural looking pre-plucked hairline, multiple clips, and an adjustable band inside the wig for a secure fit. Soft and smooth, manageable, and comfort. So the color of this unit is 33. I figured that. It's 100% human hair. It says the texture is curly. It's an average cap size. It has Swiss lace in medium brown color. And yeah, those are all the details and specs that I see on here. And then they gave me some like things that they wanted me to mention. So it says pre-cut lace, pre-plucked. If you're bad at cutting lace, child, you ain't gotta worry about it with this one. It's a quick and easy install. Like literally you can just slap old girl on your head. Now I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. I don't like to wear my wigs glueless. So I prefer to put an adhesive on it, and I don't have any adhesive on it right now. So you can just slap old girl on and go, and it does come with combs. It says natural, please use a close-up lens to show that the lace is very docile and invisible. I don't know what they meant by that. But anyways, this is the lace. Now, like I said, the lace, you can kind of see it on me. I put my foundation on it and you can still kind of see it on me. And so, child, they also want me to lift the wig. I can't with this. I'm not messing up my hairstyle. I ain't doing it. But I will show you guys that obviously I have no adhesive on this, okay? So, yeah. And I probably just wiped off my makeup doing that. I ain't got time to say. Y'all have seen me do that multiple times. Like it's the same thing, y'all. And yeah, now as far as the wig in itself, now it did come with these baby hairs, honey. These days I am not much of a fan of baby hairs. Like I go through phases with everything, but right now I'm not a huge fan of baby hairs. I went ahead and used them because they were on there, but I'm not gonna hold you, sis. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to push them things back in my hair somewhere, okay? As well as apply adhesive. A lot of this stuff I'm doing for video purposes only. Now, as far as the hair in itself, it did shed a little bit, nothing to write home about, but it did shed a little bit while I was adding my leave-in conditioner and all of that stuff. And I expected it to. It's a curly unit, and usually these units shed a little bit. I just wanted to tell you, it's not a big deal to me, but it may be a big deal to you, so I want to tell you, girl, so you can't say I ain't tell you because I told you. As far as tangling, it wasn't really tangling. I would hit a snag or two, but it wasn't like super tangly or anything like that. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I did adjust the strap. I am an average cap size, so whenever I have to adjust the straps, I deem a unit to be big head friendly, but I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Do with that what you want to do with. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now we can get into my pros and cons as well as full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con is probably gonna be, I can't think of anything else, so I'm gonna say it's the baby hairs, okay? I'm just not a fan. I'm just not a fan of the baby hair, so that's gonna be my con. Alright, the pros is I love the color, I love the texture of the hair, I love that it is super beginner friendly, like it's an easy throw on and go sort of wig. It didn't take me a whole lot, I didn't have to bleach the knots, I didn't have to do any other thing, so I love that, and to me it makes it a more super beginner friendly wig, and I like that nowadays companies are making more wigs that are more so beginner friendly, so those are going to be my pros. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. Like, I feel like it's the perfect fall color. It's curly, it's effortless. It's, like I said, it's the ultimate beginner friendly wig. So yes, I would recommend it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. And I do also want to mention, I did this little style and I love that it's super versatile. So even if you want, even though it's a closure, if you want to wear, you know, styles that's half up and half down or whatever, however you want to do it, you can do it. So that is also like a pro for me. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Unice Hair, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl. That's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpTimMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Every styles and we